Ariana, how's the experience?
Good.
Catriona. Awesome. How about JR? Rain. Alright, how about Orkia? How's the experience? Alright, color it more. Paint more, paint more. How about Orkia? How about Safi?
Ito ang grade 1, mga figure.
How about Gabriella? How about Denise? Awesome. How about Sam? How's the experience, Sam? Excellent. How about you, Charles? Good. How about Austin? How about Dustin? How about Nate?
Very good.
What the accent?